Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a application. I have made an automated machine learning application in which I have made the whole process of machine learning automated for regression, classification and assembles algorithms. Now what it basically means is you do not have to type a single line of code and you can do machine learning and take a output prediction file as a CSV from this software. It is hosted on this website. I'll share the link. So let's see. For example, I have to do classification machine learning. So I will take my testing data. Let's take a testing data. I am taking the Titanic data set because it is a very famous data set for classification. It is quite complex also, so this basically shows the robustness of this application. Now you can see they are both numeric and alphabetic character values in the data set, but you don't have to worry about that because it will do feature encoding itself. You don't have to do anything. You have to just select the type of classification algorithm you want to run it on. SVM, random forest classifier, naive Bayes algorithm, k nearest neighbor, logistic regression. Let's try it with SVM. Now over here you choose the training columns. You select the columns to train the data on. So for example, I am taking all these columns. Be sure you do not select your target data column in here because of obvious reasons. Now over here you take your target data column. As in the Titanic data set, we want to know how many people survived or who survived. So we will take the target data column as survived. Now we will just press train data. When you press train data, this is your output. This shows your target data column which you selected, and this is your prediction of the test data that you gave. The prediction column, where 0 shows death and 1 shows alive. You can download it in this fashion. Click the download CSV, it gets downloaded. You can open it and view it. So over here you can clearly see your output. Apart from this, you can do regression on a regression data set. In regression, you can perform linear regression, support vector regression, SVR or lasso regression. And for one of the best, the assembles machine learning algorithms, you can perform XGBoost regressor, XGBoost classifier, random forest classifier, AdaBoost classifier, AdaBoost regressor, gradient boosting classifier, gradient boosting regressor, CAD boost classifier, CAD boost regressor, bagging classifier, bagging regressor. So you can pretty much do a lot of machine learning in this algorithm without typing a single line of code. You do not have to open your Python. You do not have to go through 100 errors to reach to your prediction. That's pretty much it. It's really fast. So thanks for your time and have a good day.